Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Like always, I am here to share with you a couple of fun activities that you can do with your children at home. Well, did you think that your house is full of fine motor activities that you can do with them every day? You'll be surprised to know how easy. Well, first let's have a look at why are these fine motor skills so important for little ones. These skills help children strengthen their tiny muscles. They develop their hand-eye coordination. Children learn to use tools like pencils, crayons and scissors. They develop independence and confidence. Fine motor skills are really important and we can make it easy for them. Let's have a look. So the first activity is egg carton and beans. It is an inexpensive activity with household materials. You need sticky notes, color pens, an empty egg carton. Here, we are reinforcing number concept by writing a number inside each hole, and children have to add the correct number of beans. Something to remember. Do not leave your kids alone while they are doing these fine motor activities. They need supervision at all times. Let's have a look at the activities now. Let your child hold a few beans in the hand and place them one by moving beans up to their fingertips each time. Make sure your child is holding the beans like holding a pencil. Sometimes children hold a pencil awkwardly when their fine motor skills have not developed well enough for pencil grip. This activity helps your child develop their fine motor skills in order to have better pencil control. The next activity is Clothespin and Pom Poms. Here we took some clothespin and some colorful pom poms. Here I am sharing with you two ways that your children can hold the pin. First is with their fingers, like holding a pencil. Children need to squeeze the pin to open it and release the pin to hold the pom-poms. And then squeeze it again to release the pom-pom. And the second way that children might hold the pin is holding it with a fist. Fist grip is much easier and you can expect your children to start this activity with a fist grip. We can make it difficult for older kids by flipping the pin. Reverse it and try to squeeze. Children need to squeeze to hold the pom-pom and release the pin to release the pom-poms. This is a fun and easy activity that can help children develop their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination and build hand strength. With this activity, children can also learn about colors. The next one is paper crumpling. Supplies? Well, you just need some old newspaper. Ask your child to crumple up sheets of newspaper into small balls. As their hand strength increases, the ball will get tighter. Make it hard for your children by asking them to crumple with one hand at a time. The last activity is using spray bottles. Then you just need a water sprayer. Ask children to water the plants. Spray out on the wall or spray on a colored sheet of paper. It just gives little magic to touch. This gives hours of endless fun while strengthening hand muscles. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. I hope these activities help you make learning fun for your little ones. Please subscribe for weekly updates. You can also find me on Instagram. Please follow the links below.